Since the start of this year, temperatures here in Florida have equaled record lows. But today in particular was not that cold, as the temperature was 53 degrees Fahrenheit at sunrise here in West Palm Beach. Truth be told, that is still cold, and with the wind chill factor it feels even colder. So with a temperature this cold, you're probably wondering why I'm out flying my drone so early in the morning. Well, I came out early to catch this. Can't see it? Take a closer look. It's right there. Still can't see it? Wait, let me change my perspective. There we go. I came to see these guys, but I have to admit, I'm a bit disappointed. Why? Let's go back exactly 2 years ago. This was what I saw when I filmed here back then. Which raises an important question. Where are the rest of the manatees? The Florida manatee usually resides between central and northern Florida, as far as Jacksonville and southern Georgia. However, as winter approaches, they usually head south to warmer waters as far as the Florida Keys. Here in Riviera Beach, there's an electric power plant that uses seawater to cool the turbines. This warm water is then pumped back into the intercoastal, creating the ideal environment for manatees. A word of caution. Florida statutes prohibit the flying of a drone over critical infrastructure, and a power plant qualifies as a critical infrastructure. So, do like me and fly around, not over the plant. Also, both state and federal laws prohibit human interaction with manatees. So if you see a manatee while you're snorkeling, don't get close and stay out of its path. So, as I was saying, over the years, about 100 or so manatees have made the decision to hang out here in these warm waters by the power plant instead of traveling the additional 150 miles down to the Florida Keys. So the fact that we're seeing so few manatees here this time makes you wonder, could the manatees have somehow figured out that it would be colder than normal here this winter?